Welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today is a morning Zen flow. We're going to do stretch for flexibility and strength to bring energy to your day. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So just take a deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders dropping. Another deep breath in. Allow the breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel yourself feeling more energized and ready for your day. And let's begin. Let's come to the top of the mat. We're going to start off with Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. So breathing in, stretching up. And as you breathe out, we're just going to do breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down. One more time, breathe in, look up, breathe out, and look down. Then just going to come down and hang here. And then just take your hands to the mat. You can bend your knees if you need to, taking one foot back, the other foot back, and just pedaling your feet. Waking up at the body. And then taking one leg up, bring it behind you, opening up the hips and straighten that leg, bring it forward, stretch up, come down, bringing your hands behind you, and then come back. Taking your hands up, bringing them down, take that front foot back. Now take the other foot, bring it up, bring it behind you, open up the hip, straighten that leg, bring it in front, stretching up, coming down, taking the hands behind you, and then coming up, bringing the hands behind you, and then bring the hands up, bringing them down, taking that front foot back, and coming back into downward dog, looks like a triangle. And then bringing your knees down to the mat, bringing your hands a bit back, and just taking a deep breath in, looking up. Take a deep breath out and look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And then just coming back down onto your heels, stretching your arms. Breathe in here. And as you breathe out, just come forward. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out, come forward. Breathe in, come back. This is going to wake you up. Wake up the body, wake up the mind, and breathe out and come forward. One more time, breathe in, come back. Breathe out, come forward. And then coming back down, just stretch your arms. Feel a lovely stretch on your arms, your back. And then coming back up, taking one hand up, and then just bringing it through. This is called thread the needle, and the other arm, just straighten it. Nice deep breath in here. And breathe out. Let's take that arm out, bring that in front, bring in the other hand up. And as you breathe out, just threading it through, other hand comes straight. And then just bringing that arm back up. And this time, just coming back, not all the way back, just feeling a stretch on your arms. Bringing your head down, just looking in front of you, feeling a lovely stretch here. The lengthening of the arms. And then coming back up, coming down onto your belly. Stretching your arms and your legs. And breathing in, taking one arm up and the opposite leg up. and then come down. Breathing, stretch up, opposite arm and opposite leg. Breathe out and down. And let's take both arms and both legs up and down. One more time. Breathe in and down. Now we're going to take the same arm and same leg, take that to the foot, and we're going to stretch the arm and lift up. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring that foot down. Let's do the other side. Breathe in, stretch up, and as you breathe out, come down. Place your hands on the mat, push yourselves up, just coming back down on your heels, taking a breath here from your class. And as you're here, thinking about how you want your day to go, becoming more mindful, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So think about something you would like for your day, how you want your day to go. Take a deep breath here. Just take a moment. And then come up to seated. Bringing your hands to your heart center, thanking your body for this energizing practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning for this quick Zen morning flow class. I hope you enjoyed it. Do share it with anybody who you feel that may want to feel energized this morning. And until next time, I look forward to practicing with you again. Namaste.